Hi everyone, I hope you're looking forward to my next live trading webinar as much as I am. It's been an exciting start to the year. The things we're going to cover in this energetic webinar include everything from stocks to foreign exchange currency trading to actually cryptos and indices as well. A whole bunch of stuff. I'm going to show you how it is that trading has evolved so that you don't need to be a screen slave anymore. How do we generate using computers and algorithms and pattern recognition and clever bits of artificial intelligence? How do we generate signals on when to enter a trade just before moves? And also, how do we confirm those moves? How do we make sure we've got stop losses, which are based on the volatility of the market? How do we know when to double up and add into our positions? Or pyramid into our positions, maybe increase our position size by a half. What are the trade-offs in doing those things? Should our trailing stop losses be dynamic or stepped? Can we have some kind of traffic light system which gives us an idea of the strength of a move? Like I said, we won't just look at equities. We will look, for instance, at indices and in different directions. Look at some of these great little moves we've had at the start of this year so far, from downward moves to rapid rises. How do we cope with that? It's one of the reasons we need computer systems to help us. We certainly don't want to be going up and down in the market using our own analysis when we could be using computers to do it for us. So we look to see how is it that we can simplify our trading, know exactly when to enter, when to exit. I'm going to use, you can probably see it over my shoulder, the analysis from my 18 Financial Times published books, my 200 odd columns published in the Financial Times newspaper under the Diary of an Internet Trader, where each week I would diarize my trading and the education I wanted to give people. I'm also going to include for everybody a free book for turning up to the webinar, a full free ebook, one of my own, which is published by Macmillan. It's a 200-page ebook just for turning up. We're going to show you through that book as well all the best bits of how to trade, how the world's leading traders trade. That's how I started off in trading some 20 odd years ago. I met some of the world's leading traders, published it in a book by the Financial Times. They became my mentors. That allowed me to go from a private investor to setting up a hedge fund. So I'm going to show you some of the good practices that you should be adopting, how we make sure we don't have profit targets, because that just limits our gains, but in actual fact we use such positions to add to our winning positions, how we make sure we have got good appropriate stop losses. We're not trying to forecast and predict the market. We won't get in and out at tops and bottoms because we don't have crystal balls. We don't have to have that stress. I'm going to use all my experience, expertise, and that of some of the world's leading traders in this webinar. Please do make sure you watch it live, and you will get a free ebook written by me, published by Macmillan, just for doing me the honor of attending that webinar. You're going to absolutely love it. It's been a great start to 2020 already. We want it to continue for you, and I want to continue giving private investors the kind of training we give staff within my hedge fund.